Hey, do you like it? Let's move it around. Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah? How about that? This. Look, check this out. What do you think? Huh? Yeah, yeah. This is for cutting carrots. Carrots. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. I wasn't gonna beg everybody, because everybody does it on the internet. But I'm kind of getting nowhere with my vids. I don't get any likes. I don't get any subscribes. You should feel sorry. You should feel down deep in your soul. You know, I spend like 13 years to make like one video. It's crazy. 13. And all it would take is just a millisecond of taking that pinky finger, taking that index finger and clicking right on that thumbs. I don't know which one does. I don't know if it sucks. Like if it's really bad, does it still do better for the video? Just do something, man. I'm dying over here. I'm trying to get YouTube famous by building carrot chopping boards for your outside. Because the inside is, nobody wants to do it inside. Nobody likes cooking inside. It's lame. Look, man, listen, all you need is like a salad bowl. You can just, take a little slice of butter. Oh, you don't put butter on your salad? Well, I bet you probably didn't thumbs me up either. All right, let's get it done. See that? Can you see this? You see that right there? You see all that right there? Oh, is it focusing? Just got back from battle. It's my war wound. trying to build this beautiful thing for you guys. Need you to do me a favor. I know I just said it. Need you to like my stuff. I don't know. You could subscribe if you want. Whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching.